Oh, hi there. Welcome to Max Hacks. Did you ever wonder what kind of things you could do with your microwave? Well, today I'm going to show you how you can do a few more things. Come on, we're gonna have a really good show. It's the age-old question. What came first? The chicken or the egg? Where'd the dinosaurs go? What'd they do? And today we're going to find out what happens when you put one microwave inside of another microwave. As you can see, it's a regular old microwave. So I'm going to turn it like this and open it up. Get your second microwave. You're going to set it on right on inside this microwave. As you can see, the microwave fits snugly inside. I got a cup of pretty warm coffee here. Yes, it's pretty warm. And I'm going to put it inside the microwave, the second one. My hypothesis, it should make the coffee colder. It'll sort of act as a reverse microwave, because you got the microwave ray going from one microwave and you hit the other ones too, and you get sort of a reverse microwave. The coffee should get a lot colder. Bombs what? Putting it in. Just wait a minute, I guess. It should cool off by now. Yeah, I mean, I guess that might be a little cooler, yeah. Oh, that's good coffee. I never thought that I would be the one pushing scientific boundaries, putting microwaves inside of other microwaves. Thanks again for watching Max Hacks. Please press the subscribe key on your keyboard.